Precise and effortless one-touch cooking. Want to know how to make perfect hard-boiled eggs and more in a dash? The Copper Chef Perfect Egg Cooker lets you choose exactly how you want your eggs cooked. Cooking requires just the push of one button. Marked measuring cup makes it easy to pour in the right amount of water you need, no timer or programming required. Egg-right technology circulates steam for perfect cooking and shuts off automatically when done. Deluxe electric egg cooker, dishwasher safe parts, get fast, effortless cleanup, nothing sticks to the surface so there's no residue left behind to scrape or scrub off. Easier and less mess than making eggs in an electric pressure cooker, on the stovetop, or in the microwave. Multi-purpose, easy to peel hard-boiled eggs and more, versatile egg cooker for meal prep, large families, cooking for parties, high-protein diets, and picky eaters. Boil eggs for egg salad, as salad toppings, breakfasts on the go, pre-workout high-protein meals and more. Cook deviled eggs, make easy breakfast omelets, or poach eggs for Sunday brunch. Portable and compact automatic egg maker, the Copper Chef Perfect Egg Cooker is compact and lightweight for fast and simple storage that won't take up a lot of space in your cabinets. This is a must-have cookware item for apartments, smaller kitchens, dorm rooms, RV traveling and more. Special features and accessories. Want to know how to peel hard-boiled eggs? Perfect peel technology means you get clean, easy-to-peel hard-boiled eggs every time. Cook 14 eggs at once or remove the extender wall to cook 7 eggs on only one layer. Cook and Look Dome lets kids watch eggs while they cook, with built-in automatic shut-off and standby mode to prevent overcooking. 5-piece accessory set includes hard-boiled egg insert and extender tray, poaching insert, omelet ring, and measuring cup. Top reviews from the United States. Big is good. I've tried to find a cooker as good as the West Bend I had years ago. It wasn't cheap like today's online one, but I'd gotten it at a department store 30 years ago. This one excels because it's so large, and it hard-boils eggs as well as any I've tried. It's great to have large quantities since they last for weeks. While the cooker shuts itself off, if it isn't unplugged right away, its surface does get scorched and needs steel wool to restore the shine. I just use Adobe, not perfect but I don't want to damage the surface. It's fine to use, and is the one I would buy again, unless the solid steel West Bend is available. Maybe not if a person wants this high-capacity one. I'll see if it lasts. If you're thinking of trying a microwave cooker, well, mine was just okay.